Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest turkey. Want to be the hero of Thanksgiving and cook the juiciest turkey? Then look no further. This video is everything you need to know to make the best turkey you've ever had, and it's a little different than you might expect. First thing first, our turkey needs to be completely thawed. If it's frozen solid, it's not going to be cooked right now. For thawing tips and tricks, head over to our website where we have all the information you need. Our thawed turkey needs to be on an elevated rack in a roasting pan. This will ensure the air flows all the way around the turkey. The next thing we do is something completely different, and for that, what you'll need is 2 bags full of ice. And what we're going to do is place those right on top of those breasts, clip them together, and leave them there for about an hour. The reason we do this is to keep our white meat really chilled while our dark meat starts to warm up a little bit. And it's completely food safe to do this for about an hour. It's been about an hour, and now we're going to remove those bags. Make sure to throw those away. Now it's time to remove the neck and gizzards. Save the neck for me, Clark. I'm just going to discard them, but if you want to roast them, put them under that elevated rack or do whatever you want with them. Then we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then no matter how you choose to season your turkey, giving it this extra fat is going to ensure that it is so juicy. Starting at the neck cavity, loosen the skin from the breast and the drumstick by inserting your fingers and gently pushing between the skin and the meat. Then you're going to take 1 cup of cubed salted butter and press that underneath the skin. I know this looks weird and kind of gross, but I promise it will ensure your turkey is so good. We've given our turkey the fat, now we're going to add the seasoning, and my favorite seasoning is 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of basil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix that until it's well combined, and then sprinkle that over the entire turkey. And even sprinkle some of that under the skin with the butter. Make sure to rub that into every little nook and cranny on that turkey. Now that our turkey is prepped, we're going to head over to the oven. And into the preheated oven it goes. But for how long? Let's talk time and temperature. All turkeys range in size and shape. That beginning turkey temperature and oven temperature are also factors in this. I can't say an exact length of time on how to cook your turkey because I don't know those factors. But one thing I do know is a turkey cooked to the perfect internal temperature is amazing. Using an internal thermometer is an insurance plan for a successful cook. If you have one that you can leave in while the turkey cooks, that's going to be a great indicator of when it's getting close. But if you don't, go ahead and check the temperature about an hour and a half to 2 hours in. The temperature we are wanting is 155 degrees Fahrenheit in the thick of the breast, and 175 to 180 degrees in the dark meat. There will be a carryover on that 155 degrees temperature, so don't you worry that it's undercooked, it'll be just right. Once those internal temperatures are reached, remove that from the oven, let it rest for about 20 minutes before carving, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.